Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will have a class solving creative questions. Let us go for solving this. Answer the following questions according to the stem below. Here is a prism. ABC is a prism. Here angle of deviation is 30 degree and angle of prism this is 60 degree. Incident ray, emergent ray, and this is angle of incidence, that is also 60 degree. Question number C, that is what is the refractive index of prism, and number D, that is we will solve the mathematical question C and D to arrange the angle of minimum deviation what change in angle of incidence to be made. Analyze mathematically. Okay. Here are two questions. Number C, that what is the refractive index of prism. Number D, to arrange the angle of minimum deviation. What change in the angle of incidence to be made? Analyze mathematically. So we will go for solving C and D now. That is number C. Here given angle of prism A is equal to 60 degree. Angle of incidence, that is I1 is equal to 60 degree, and angle of deviation, that is 30 degree. Here angle of refractions are R1 and R2 respectively. Okay. Angle of prism A is equal to 60 degree, angle of incidence sin is equal to 60 degree, and angle of diffusion delta is equal to 30 degree. And we consider angle of refraction, two angle of refractions. Angles of refraction are R1 and R2 respectively. Okay, therefore we know R1 plus R2 is equal to A is equal to 60 degree. We know R1 is equal to R1 plus R2 is equal to 60 degree, and delta is equal to I1 plus I2 minus A. We know this one. Or I2 is equal to delta plus A minus I1. Put the values. Delta is equal to 30 degree, A is equal to 60 degree, and I1 is equal to 60 degree, is equal to, that is I2 is equal to 30 degree. Okay, so we know I1 is equal to 60 degree and I2 is equal to 30 degree. I am rubbing this portion for solving mathematical problem. The remaining portion we know refractive index mu is equal to sin I1 by sin R1 is equal to sin I2 by sin R2. Therefore, sin R1 is equal to sin I1 by mu. We consider this portion. Okay. Sin R1 is equal to sin I1 by mu is equal to, put the values, sin 60 degree by mu. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, that is root 3 by 2 mu, that is sin R1. Now sin R2 is equal to sin I2 by mu is equal to sin 30 by mu is equal to 1 by 2 mu, because sin 30 is equal to half. Therefore, sin R2 by sin R1 is equal to 1 by 2 mu by root 3 by 2 mu is equal to 1 upon root 3 is equal to 1 upon root 3. Now we come here, from here we come or sin R2 by sin R1 is equal to 1 upon root 3, or sin, instead of R1 R2 we can write A minus R1 by sin R1 is equal to 1 upon root 3. if we break this, simplify this, then sin A cos R1 minus sin R1 minus cos A cos A sin R1 by sin R1 is equal to 1 upon root 3. Or sin A, here sin A by tan R1 minus cos A is equal to 1 upon root 3, or put the value of A, sin 60 by tan R1 minus cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to 1 upon root 3, or sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, that is root 3 by 2 tan R1 minus cos 60 is equal to half, so minus half is equal to 1 upon root 3. Having calculation, we can get, or tan R1 is equal to root 3 by 2 by half plus 1 upon root 3. Therefore, R1 is equal to, having the calculation, R1 is equal to 38.8 degree. That is, we have got R1. Now, mu is equal to sin I1 by sin R1 is equal to sin 60 degree by sin R1 is equal to 38.8 degree. So having calculation, we can get the value of mu, that is 1.38. So the refractive index of the material of the prism is 1.38. I think you understood the math. Now we will go for solving question number D. I want to wrap the complete number D was, what should be the change in angle of incidence? What should be the change in angle of incidence to get the angle of minimum deviation? We have to get the angle of deviation, and in this case, what will be the angle of incidence? And there we can find, from there we can find the change in angle of incidence. Okay. So here, let the angle of minimum deviation, let the angle of minimum deviation be delta m. So therefore, refractive index mu is equal to sin A plus delta m by 2 by sin A by 2, or sin A plus del m by 2 is equal to mu sin A by 2 is equal to 1.38 into sin 30 by putting the value of A, that is sin 30. So from here we can get, that is A plus del n by 2 is equal to 43.63 degree, or del m is equal to, having the calculation, del m is equal to 27.26 degree. By putting the value of a and having calculation, we can get the value. That is, if we multiply this by 2 and if we get a on the side, then putting the value of a, we can get the value of del m, that is 27.26 degree. Okay. So therefore, let the angle of incidence for getting angle of minimum deviation, for getting